AP Aboobaker Musliyar is represented as a Grand Mufti of India who is Chancellor of Jamia Markaz. To talk about his success, it's way beyond the imagination. Aside from all these achievements, if you go through his past life, it is nothing less than a heartbreak. And at the end of this video, you will get to know that one secret way which is used by this great scholar to reach impossible goals. Okay, let's begin. AP Aboobaker Musliyar was born and raised in a small village at Calicut, which is located in India. He was belonged to a poor family, but his parents were very religious and pious individuals in that locality. Eventually, when he was just 12 years old, his father passed away. Even after this tremendous incident, life never stops. It goes on step by step. He completed his elementary in both secular and Islamic studies. It was during his college days where he noticed how Islamic community are being pushed down as a background community everywhere. In such a scenario, he deeply thought for a solution to solve this and found out that only education can bring Islam forward. And for that we need an Islamic education. But at the same time, the worldly education is also highly essential. He again thought, see, if you look at the Ambiyas, Awliyas and other scholars of Islamic ages, were all educated in both the knowledge. That's when he came up with the idea to build Markaz, where students can complete highest stage of both education under one roof in an Islamic environment. But the only problem was he neither had any money or any facilities. Yet, if you see him now, he had already achieved all of his dreams and ideas, which is filled with uniqueness and impossible things. You might be wondering how. The secret is visualization. Yes, visualization. AP Ustad was so passionate about achieving his great plan that almost every day he used to visualize or daydream about the constructions, how to build, how to educate, or how to set up a better Islamic culture and educational center. He belonged to a kind of person who are very stubborn. If he had any kind of doubt regarding to his studies or something else, he would never ever give up until he gets what he wanted, even if he had to sacrifice his sleep. So at the age of 24, he received Maulvi Fazil degree and worked as a teacher in some masjid. And remember, he never ever gave up on visualization. He kept on believing and continued to build up better plans for his dreams. Barely after 14 years, at the age of 28, he was able to establish the dream of his life, called Markaz, which is now one of the best Islamic educational center around the world. It grew exactly as AP Ustad once visualized. Approximately 10,000 students are studying, including 1,500 orphans. Now he is 89 years old, who provided shelters and education for millions of orphans and students, and also inspired the world by saying nothing is impossible until you think it is. If you're willing to get off from your bed to reach your dreams, start visualizing today. Visualization is nothing but a daydreaming with purpose. So visualize that thing you want, see it, feel it, believe in it, make your mental blueprint and then just begin. So, what's your story?